Here's how you can make $1,000 today by streaming on Pump.Fun. Now, guys, you really seem to be loving my Pump.Fun live streaming videos, so I'm going to keep on making them. If you guys have any specific things you want me to talk about, let me know, so in tomorrow's video, I'll be able to cover it. Now, guys, I am still ill. I've been recovering. I'm drinking so many freaking teas and all these home remedies, and I'm still freaking sick, but I had to make this video for you guys. Couldn't leave you guys hanging, so let's talk about what is going on and how you can make $1,000 today. This is easily the biggest opportunity in the make money online space right now. I don't care about AI. I don't care about drop shipping. I don't care about having an agency. This is easily the quickest and fastest and most simplest way to make money. All you have to do is just have a little bit of creativity and just don't be a retard, okay? Very simple, very easy. Now, if you guys could subscribe down below, that'd be amazing. I'm trying to make these videos for you guys literally while I am ill. The least you guys could do is subscribe, guys. Please just subscribe. I'm trying to get to 8,000 by the end of the month. If I can hit that, that would be amazing. Now, let's talk about a couple different examples. So the first thing that I would say is, guys, just go to Pump.Fun.com, click on the live stream section, and you'll see a bunch of different live streams, okay? So some people were asking me, RJ, like, how do you even find out, like, you know, who's making money, who's not? Literally, the easiest thing to do, guys, is literally click on any single live stream you want. So, for example, we'll look at African Bagwork, I think this is. Literally just click on the stream, right? Let the stream go ahead and load, and then you'll see this right here is the creator, right? So this you'll see like a 9 hours ago. So this guy created his coin 9 hours ago, and from here you'll be able to click this actual creator, right? You go to coins, and then from there you'll see this guy literally made $12,500 today, okay? And it's like, what the actual hell? So again, $12,000 in a day. This guy's basically claiming to be the African Bagwork, and they're basically just talking about a bunch of different things, okay? He has 103 viewers right now. The all-time high for this was 468K, and they're currently trading at 251K market cap, okay? So a couple things to take note of, guys. You get paid based off of a volume. So your coin has to actually be traded here and there. So what I would do is think of creative ways to make people want to buy your coin to get to a certain market cap, okay? For example, I have a pretty good idea that I am going to be implementing once I heal and I'm not sick anymore, or at least I'm like all right to stream for a couple hours. I have a pretty good idea that I think will do pretty well. But for example, think about it like, I don't know, like every 50K market cap, you have to do a forfeit, right? At 100K market cap, you have to shave your head bald, right? Here's another one. This girl is a baker. Now, granted, I mean, she's a smoke show for sure, but you gotta take into consideration the all-time high for this is 129K. The market cap is 64K, and this person has been streaming multiple times, right? This isn't her first rodeo. She's had multiple different streams just today. We could see some of them 24 minutes, 50 minutes, right? Even a day ago. So this person didn't just start streaming one day, right? Guys, yes, there is an opportunity to make money on your first day, but don't give up even if you haven't. So this person right here, Life of a Baker, so I guess Blonde Bunny, I don't know if she's already known or whatnot. Regardless, she has already made $2,000, guys, just this week, and most of that came from just today, okay? So again, if you are a baker and you want to go ahead and literally stream yourself baking, I think that would be a great idea. Again, depending on what your thing is, you could definitely incorporate some sort of challenge, right? So let's just say you're a baker and you say, oh, at like 100K market cap, I'm going to completely ruin what I'm baking and put in like ketchup or some shit, right? I don't know. Think about it. Be creative, okay? Now, here's another one that completely blew my mind. This one's literally called Poop Aura. Now, they've been around for 3 months, but they literally just do this lo-fi, lofi, whatever you want to call it, music, and they just put it on a loop, I believe, okay? So with that being said, they have a all-time high of 3.2 mil and a market cap of 790K right now. So if you actually go to their actual coin, we could see they have made $17,000 this week, and majority of that did come from today, okay? So again, even if you want to just literally play music on a 24-hour loop, it is possible, okay? Now, moving on, this one was very, very interesting. So if you guys are Pump.Fun traders, you guys know there's a coin called Useless Coin, and this one, guys, genuinely is called No Work. I ain't doing nothing, F you. And guys, this just ended up catching on. So what I would do as well is look at earlier Pump.Fun trends. For example, there was one called Aura that did really well. There was the Useless Coin. There was House Coin. There were so many different coins. Look at coins that were trending in the past and see how you can put a spin on it and make it something that is, I guess, something that will catch on, right? So this literally reminds me of the Useless Coin. And again, this person has been streaming for 5 hours, right? And the all-time high was 445K. It's currently trading at a market cap of 177K. If you go ahead and do exactly what I say, You guys can see they have already made $15,000. So again, absolute insanity. The amount of money people are printing right now is insane. Guys, please do subscribe down below. Now, this one really blew my mind. So this is the journey of a New York City plumber. I think anyone that has any sort of trades job, whether you're an Uber driver or you're like a plumber, someone that or maybe you're an electrician, you're like a renovator, a painter. This, in my opinion, is a absolute no-brainer. Download Pump.Fun on your phone, or if you know someone, your uncle, your cousin, your brother, your sister, whoever that works some sort of trades job or some sort of like their own business, but it's like a actual, like, you have to put hours in business, like a trades job, right? Tell them to download Pump.Fun on their phone and start streaming their job. So this guy, he's a plumber. You guys could see his all-time high was 214K. It's currently trading at 18K, right? And we could see bro is literally just like, if you look at his old streams, he is literally just, well, I don't know what's going on here. Oh yeah, he's literally just plumbing. I mean, this is a pretty shitty stream, but I'm guessing, yeah, like this one looks a bit better. Like he's just doing work, right? Very, very cool. And again, it's like he's already doing work anyways, so why not throw the phone on? Now, I would definitely recommend be a bit more engaging than this guy. But we can see plumber.soul, he has now made $7,500 pretty much all today. Okay, so again, very freaking bullish. Now, moving on, guys, Pump.Fun. Yesterday, Pump.Fun paid out $4 million in creator rewards, most of which went to first-time creators that are now able to realize the potential of their dreams. Guys, like I said, this is easily the biggest opportunity right now. Regardless, the actual Pump token is down 3.5%. I do think the Pump token is a pretty solid trade as well. So for those that want to double dip, want to buy the Pump token and go ahead and stream, that is a great idea. Now, guys, there are so many different ways to make money on Pump.Fun, especially when live streaming. Let me know in the comments down below what other videos I should make on this topic. Some person said do a tutorial on how to stream. I can do that, although I feel like it is pretty easy. Just go on the freaking website and it's like literally like, it takes 2 seconds. I mean, all you got to do is click live streams, create coin, and boom, you could stream. And again, guys, there are so many different opportunities out there. Definitely go ahead and check it out. Now, when it comes to actually making money on Pump.Fun as well, I strongly recommend, guys, literally just go and find what already works on the actual Pump.Fun streaming website and just put your own twist on it, right? It's completely fine to be inspired by other people. Obviously, don't go copy someone. I mean, you could. I'm not gonna stop you, but it might not take off, right? So guys, if you do enjoy this video, make sure you guys subscribe down below. I'm trying to get to 8,000 subs. Genuinely appreciate all the love, guys. It means a lot, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.